I have the most bullish information, the most bullish scenario that could potentially take place on Monday for cryptocurrencies. So I highly recommend, if you want to find out exactly what this is, you stay until the very end. So we're going to be getting into what that is, and specifically what this is that there's going to be an emergency Fed meeting on Monday. We're going to be talking about this. Why is this happening? And this is going to potentially change cryptocurrencies forever. So what we can see here is diving straight to the charts. This weekend has been bearish. This Saturday has been bearish for Ethereum and Bitcoin, which we follow on this channel because Ethereum and Bitcoin dictate how cryptocurrencies move. So Ethereum right now is beginning to break down, potentially about to break down out of this pattern. We might get a bounce off of this support level, which has been holding cryptos up. But if this does not happen, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to get a breakdown to this level. And then further down, we can see a pretty big move over this weekend, over the next couple of days. But on Monday, I believe this could potentially change this forever. And what this means, ladies and gentlemen, is that there is a Fed meeting on Monday at 11:30, and the Fed is calling an emergency expedited meeting. And what this specifically means is that the Fed could be pivoting from raising rates aggressively right now. And they've been doing this for several months. They've been raising rates aggressively to combat inflation. And because the inflation data has come out very bearish this past week, we are thinking that the Fed is calling an emergency meeting to pivot because they are realizing that they are killing the stock market. I mean, look at this. Let me show you the S&P 500. This thing is just continuing to break down and crash the S&P 500. This is very bad, ladies and gentlemen. The wealth of Americans is being destroyed because they are raising rates. It's destroying the housing market. It's destroying everything. But if they pivot here on Monday, which they're forcing themselves to do, which other countries around the world are pivoting right now because of inflation, instead of raising rates, what they can do is they're going to stop raising rates. And this means that cryptocurrencies and equities will recover very fast, because if they're no longer aggressively raising rates and they're going to be pausing for quite some time, that means it's going to give the equities markets, it's going to give the economy time to recover and to bounce up. And that's the only reason why cryptos and stocks have been going down. If this does not happen, if the pivot does not happen, there is still some very good news, because if the pivot does not happen, the stock market is going to continue to crash like you've never seen before. And guess what? People are going to be looking, as they're looking for right now, an asset class to preserve their wealth and their money. And that's going to be none other than cryptocurrencies. We have people that are selling record numbers of the British pound and the euro to get into Bitcoin because it's a safe haven. That's why Bitcoin and cryptos were created, because of this exact reason. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade signals in the internet, go ahead and join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description. We have thousands of members that are making money every single week because of my buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies. If you join, I highly recommend you join tier 3, where you can copy all of my exact trades. You have access to all the alerts, and you can be part of the crypto trading group. That's going to be it for this video. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on, so when I make these timely sensitive videos, you will know exactly what's happening in the markets without having to scrounge on the internet looking for your phone. Also, consider giving this video a thumbs up if you got something out of this video, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below. Was it good? Was it bad? Let me know.